How the Sabbath became the forgotten commandment. Something has been stolen from the heart of Christianity, and most have no idea it's missing. One commandment, out of the 10, the only one God said to remember. Yet it's the one the world has completely forgotten. The Sabbath. How did this happen? How did the very commandment written by the finger of God, etched in stone, become the most trampled, twisted, and tossed aside law of all? Let's go back to the beginning. In Genesis chapter 2, 2-3, at the dawn of time, before there was sin, before there was a Jew, God did something profound. And on the seventh day God ended his work, and he rested. And God blessed the seventh day and sanctified it. This wasn't for Jews. This wasn't for Israel. This was for mankind, a weekly divine appointment with the Creator. When God gave the 10 Commandments at Mount Sinai, Exodus 28-11, thundered with authority. Remember the Sabbath day, to keep it holy. The seventh day is the Sabbath of the Lord thy God. He didn't say, pick a day. He didn't say, every day is holy. He said, the seventh day. And he made it clear. It's holy because he made it holy. We don't make a day holy. God does. So what happened? How did this commandment, the longest, most detailed of the 10, become invisible to modern Christianity? Rome happened. In 321 AD, Emperor Constantine, still a devoted sun worshipper, issued a civil decree honoring Sunday, the venerable day of the sun. He said, let all judges and townspeople rest on the venerable day of the sun. This wasn't about honoring Christ. It was about uniting pagans and Christians under one law. And the church compromised. In 364 AD, at the Council of Laodicea, the Roman Church took it a step further. They outlawed Sabbath observance and declared Sunday the new day of worship. Christians must not Judaize by resting on the Sabbath, but must work on that day and honor the Lord's day. If found keeping the Sabbath, let them be accursed. Accursed for keeping God's commandment. The very church that claimed to be Christ's body rejected his law and exalted man-made tradition in its place. And from that moment on, the Sabbath began to vanish from Christian consciousness. Rewritten catechisms, silent pulpits, generations of believers fed a lie that Sunday is the Christian Sabbath. Yet search the scriptures. You will find no verse where God changed his holy day. Not from Jesus, not from Paul, not from the apostles. God never changed the Sabbath. Man did. And today, the deception continues. Pastors say, it doesn't matter what day you keep. Priests say, the church has authority to change it. Imams reject it entirely, and skeptics laugh at the idea that God cares about a day. But Jesus said in John 14:15, if ye love me, keep my commandments. Not some, not 9 out of 10, all 10, including the forgotten one. The Sabbath is more than a day. It's a sign of allegiance, a test of obedience, a symbol of our connection to the Creator. And in the final conflict of Revelation, it rises again, front and center. Here is the patience of the saints. Here are they that keep the commandments of God and the faith of Jesus. Revelation 14:12. So now the question confronts you. Will you remember what God said not to forget? Or will you keep following a world that forgot?